Our body works at particular pH. Yeah, Renuka, 1 minute. Yes, very good, Renuka. And if our blood pH is how much? Renuka, our blood pH is how much, Rekha? Our blood pH is 7.4. Remember, this 7.4 is what? It is very close to neutral only, right now? It is very close to neutral only, correct now? So 7.4, our blood pH is 7.4. Same way the pure water pH is also 7.4. It is nor acidic nor basic. Slightly going towards basic side, but 7.4 is not that. Correct now? Correct now, Rekha? So 7.4 is the pH of pure water. Okay. Now pH of rainwater. If the pH of rainwater goes below 5.6, see below 5.6. For example, 7 is neutral. This is here 6 here. If it goes below 6, that is below 5.6. Remember, pH of rainwater goes below 5.6. Then that rainwater is called acid rain. And if this acid rain comes, then it will be much damage to our buildings also. See, remember, when the rainwater is called acid rain, when the rain pH will go below 5.6, that is called acid rain. And if this acid rain comes, then it will damage to our buildings. Like it will damage to our monuments, like several monuments are there. One of the monuments is like Taj Mahal. It will get pitted. So if the acid rain will falls on that, it will get pitted. Pitted means like it will get dot, 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 dot. It will get little black color and all. So it loses its shiny also because of acid rain, correct? And very importantly, if this acid rain is there, then this rainwater, this acid rainwater will go to river and all, correct? So if it goes to river and all, then the pH of that river will be also going down. Going down in the sense, the pH of that river also will go to acidic side. Acidic side means will go towards the below 7, correct now? Then that rainwater goes to river, pH of that river water also will be decreased. Decreases nothing but it goes below 7, right? Means it will go to 5, 6 like that. So if it goes, if that river water also become acidic, then it will be very difficult for the survival of those aquatic organisms which are living in that river. Understood? Rekha understood? Everybody? Haripriya understood? Kirti understood? Akash understood? Suman understood? Chetan understood? Sir, a doubt is acid rain comes in the form of drop or what, like? See, acid rain, it comes like just a normal rain only, now. I mean, in the form of drop or what, I did not get that. Acid rains in the form of drop or what, I know that. So acid rain is just like a normal rain only, but the pH of that rain is acidic, and did not get rain or I mean the drop or what. Can you elaborate your doubt, Ms. Rekha? Tooth decay. See, because of pH only we get tooth decay. Because of what we get tooth decay? Because of pH. Because of the pH only we get tooth decay. See, when the pH of mouth, pH of mouth goes below 5.5. pH of mouth goes below 5.5 leads to tooth decay. See, in your mouth, teeth are there, right? Tooth are there, teeth. The 4 kind of teeth are there. You know, 4 kind of teeth. You know, there are 4 kind of teeth in your mouth. There are incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. Okay, so these teeth contain calcium carbonate. Very strong, yeah, very strong. If you take a stone, also it may not break. I mean, you can say that much. I mean, very strong, yeah, very strong. Nobody can do anything to your teeth except this acid. So if you take chocolates, for example, if you take chocolates and if you sleep in the night, you take whatever food item. Yeah, tooth enamel is the hardest part in our body. Tooth enamel is the hardest part in your body. This will not break, yeah. This will not get very hard. So if you take chocolate or if you take any food items and if it is got stuck in your teeth, it is a teeth, for example, here, and if it got stuck here, if the food items got stuck here, then microbes will come and these microbes start to decompose it, start to eat that, start to decompose that, and they, they decompose that and they release certain chemicals. These are nothing but acidic in nature. So if more and more acid is collected, then what will happen? Your pH of the mouth will be goes on decreases because more food is got stuck in your mouth. More food got stuck in your mouth, right? More food got stuck in your mouth. So more bacteria, more microorganisms are decomposing that food. When they decompose, what happens? They releases the acid. When they releases this acid, then this acid will start to damage your teeth. This acid will start to damage your teeth. Your teeth start to become decomposed, black and all. The bacteria will not eat your teeth. Remember, bacteria will not eat. But major thing, what bacteria will do, this bacteria or microorganism, they will eat that food, they will decompose that food and they produces acid. This acid is responsible to damage the teeth. Okay. So major thing you should remember, Spurti, this is not the name of the teeth, remember. You should remember when your teeth start to get decay, when the pH of the mouth goes below 5.5. Below 5.6 is what? Another word you got, below 5.6. Do you know below 5.6 means what? Below 5.6. You heard pH below 5.6. Anybody heard below 5.6 pH? Okay. Vaibhav said, Farah says, Prasanna says. 3 students replied. 3 students, Vinay Kumar replied. Arfa Nuren replied. So 5, Chetan replied. So this much student, no, that's Spurti, don't know. You did not heard Spurti, right? Okay. Okay, so 6 students perfectly concentrated. Very good. Arpita also replied. Arfat Hussaini also replied. That's good. So 8 students, very good. Count is increased little bit. Okay. By this we can see that how many are having concentration. What will happen, dear boys and girls, what will happen when test will come, our exam will come now, then we start to take tension. Then we start to take tension. When somebody is having that particular topic, we do not give more concentration. Krishna is sleeping. Now replying, Nare. Right. So, right, very good. So remember there are 2, everyone switch on your camera. Everyone switch on your camera soon. Switch on your camera, everybody. Switch on your camera. Come on, everyone, switch on your camera. Akash, Sai Kiran. Abdul Rahman, अभी बोला था below 5.6 को क्या बोलते? Chetan, hand na, face issue, face. Concentrating or no? Rekapi, you don't know. Below 5.6 is what? Sridharyam, Yogita, don't know. Listening or no? Listening or no? 5.6, below 5.6, what I told. Below 5.6 is not a tooth, mouth decay or tooth decay, Rekha. Below 5.5 is tooth decay. That is what we take silly things lightly and we lose the marks. That is the reason the students will not take that serious. Suman, but see, I will show you little. Okay. It is there on the screen or no? Let's see. See, can you see here? Can you see here? This value they asked in exam. Flashback, everyone, listen properly. Flashback, fatafat, we'll do it. See, remember, acid when in water, it produces H plus ions. Base in water produces OH minus ions. More H plus ions is strong acid. Less H plus ions is weak acid. Less H plus ions is weak acid. More H plus ions is a strong acid, remember. Understood? Base. More OH minus ion is a strong base. More OH minus ion is a strong base. Less OH minus ion is a weak base. Remember, this acid contains H plus ions. Along with that, it also contains OH minus ions. So doesn't mean that H plus ions are there and OH minus ions are there, so it is not acid. No, it is acid. These OH minus ions are present, but they are present in very, very less amount. In case of base, obviously OH minus ions are there, but along with that, there are some H plus ions also there. But these H plus ions are very, very, very less. Very, very, very less. So it is in basic in nature. Okay, it is basic in nature. Then after that, we studied about pH scale and all, Which one is neutral? Neutral is 7. So what is the pH of your blood? pH of your blood is what? What is the pH of our blood we learned? pH of our blood, fatafat reply. pH of our blood. No, Prasanna. See, that is what you should be specific. pH of our blood is very good. 7.4 beta. 7.4 I say. pH of our blood, yeah, Rekha, absolutely right. pH of our blood is 7.4, remember. But our body, I'm talking about, yes, Akash, right. Our body is functioning in the pH range of around 7 to 7.8. This is our body functioning in that pH range, 7 to 7.8. Yeah, pH of the blood is around 7.4. Okay, always right. So our body will be functioning around the pH range of 7 to 7.8, right? It is the body pH range. Very well. Now about what we learned. Next, I told you about the acid rain. See, if the pH of the water, pH of the rainwater goes below 5.6, pH of the water goes below 5.6, then you will be calling as acid rain. This acid rain will be because of oxides of nitrogen and oxide of sulfur in the atmosphere due to the pollution, due to the combustion. Oxide of nitrogen, and oxides of sulfur. Okay, because of that, this in the atmosphere they form an acid, and because of that, this is an acid rain. This acid rain water will go to river. In the river, the pH will become acidic. This river water acidic will not be suitable for the organism which are living in that water. It will not be suitable for the organism which are living in that river. So they may start to die. It will be very difficult for them, so they may start to die. This was about the acid rain. Then we went for tooth decay. Remember, when the pH of the mouth goes below 5.5, when the pH of the mouth goes below 5.5, it leads to tooth decay. So why the pH of the mouth will go to below 5.5 even though we are not taking any acid, we are not drinking any acid, right? So what happened when you eat the food? And if any food got stuck in your teeth, microorganism will start to decompose that. When the microorganisms start to decompose that, they releases acid. And because of that, your mouth pH will go down. And if it goes below 5.5, then your tooth will start to damage. Because who will damage? Microorganisms are not damaging. Okay, acid will damage. Acid will damage that teeth. Okay. Then this was about in the tooth decay. And in the digestive system, what happened during indigestion? What I'm talking during indigestion. During indigestion, what happens? The acid is releases much in the stomach. More acid will be released in the stomach. Because of that, you feel acidity. You feel what you feel? You feel like burning sensation, vomiting sensation, like that you feel. So this is called acidity. So this acidity, irritation also it gives. This acidity, what it does, this acidity can be prevented by using an antacid. We can get a relief by using antacid. That is by using mild base. What you will use, beta? Mild base. Example of mild base, what you will take? Example of mild base, baking soda and milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is nothing but magnesium hydroxide, right? Milk of magnesia and baking soda. Baking soda also you can take. Next, we went for some organism like honeybee. If honeybee will sting to you, then it releases a